Incredible industrial machines working with perfect precision, Part 2. Between the cold steel heartbeat of massive factories, where every motion is measured in milliseconds, and a tiny error can shut an entire line down, there's a world that runs with near-perfect precision. A world where steel, pressure, motors, and algorithms blend into a mechanical symphony. Ever watched industrial machines move so smoothly, it's almost addictive? That strangely satisfying moment when robotic arms take turns, cutting, welding, and assembling material with laser-level accuracy. If that sparks your curiosity, you're in the right place. Here, we dive deep into the world of incredible industrial machines working with perfect precision, the realm of heavy-duty engineering, smart automation, and production lines that operate as if perfection itself wrote the code. Machines where every rotation, every cut, every movement is proof of how far engineering technology has evolved. But before we go any further, do something simple that has a huge impact. Hit like, tap subscribe, and turn on notifications, because this journey isn't just about watching machines work. It's about witnessing how human ideas become steel, how dreams become engines, how blueprints become systems capable of building the modern world on their own. Picture the roar of an automated line, compressed air hissing like the breath of a mechanical beast, conveyor belts humming like rivers of molten metal, industrial blades slicing through material as smoothly as cutting butter. It's not noise, it's rhythm. A rhythm built from the persistence of engineers, the accuracy of machines, and the intelligence of today's most advanced automation systems. And in those scenes, what do we really see? Not just machines at work, but technology tells its own story. We're about to open the doors to a universe of factory machines, smart tools, heavy machinery, and industrial processes so precise you won't be able to look away. And this is only the beginning. Inside today's advanced factories, between blazing hot drive shafts and icy accurate sensors, there's a truth most people never notice. Technology isn't here just to replace human labor. It's here to push human capability far beyond old limits. These industrial machines, built with flawless precision, aren't the work of emotionless metal. They're the result of decades of research, testing, and relentless optimization. Take a laser cutting line in metalworking. That beam is only a few dozen microns wide, yet it slices through thick steel like it's nothing more than dry paper. That power doesn't come from luck. It comes from digital control systems, precision optics, and automation algorithms calculating every tiny movement in real time. Every pulse of light is a decision made in milliseconds. Every cut is the surface layer of an entire science working quietly underneath. Or look at the robotic arms inside automotive plants. They grip, rotate, position, and join components like massive mechanical artisans. Their real magic isn't raw strength. It's how they repeat the exact same motion, millimeter perfect, thousands of times without drifting off target. A finished car exists only because hundreds of synchronized motions perform together flawlessly. That level of harmony only happens when humans dare to demand perfection.
Modern automation systems do more than boost speed. They deliver consistent quality. They reduce errors. They cut waste. And most importantly, they free humans from dangerous, exhausting, and mind-numbing repetitive work. In a modern smart factory, everything is connected. Sensors stream data to a central processor, AI systems analyze machine health, predict failures before they happen, and send automated commands across the line to optimize energy use, speed, and overall performance. The factory isn't just operating, it's thinking, it's learning, it's adapting. The scenes that feel so satisfying in those factory machine compilations are actually the product of a deeper philosophy. Precision isn't just a goal, it's a culture. A culture built by engineers, machinists, designers, and programmers working side by side. When a production line runs smoothly, people see perfection. But behind that perfection are thousands of failed tests, countless hours of fine-tuning, and one shared ambition: turning technology into a tool that builds the future. And inside these machines that move with flawless accuracy, there's something we often forget. No system, no matter how advanced, appears on its own. Behind every razor-straight cut, every silky motion, every rotation without error, is the imprint of human hands. Not the hands that operate the machine, but the hands of imagination, discipline, and the boldness to make tomorrow better than today. In the industrial world, there is an old saying everyone in a factory has heard: a machine is only as good as the person who built it. That isn't praise, it's a reminder. Engineers spent hours chasing down why a robot arm drifts by 0.2 millimeters after 10,000 cycles. Technicians sit in front of control panels, listening for the tiniest change in sound to figure out if a bearing is complaining. Designers simulate hundreds of scenarios just to make sure a machine can survive an unexpected fault. Watching machines run smoothly, it's easy to think of perfection, but it's the imperfections of humans that make these machines exist at all. Humans ask the questions. Humans fix the flaws. Humans dream of faster, sharper, more efficient systems. And when those dreams turn into blueprints, control algorithms, and mechanical components, machines become the way we send the future into the present. Technology isn't cold. It carries the belief that today can be better than yesterday. A smart factory isn't just a place where products are made. It's a monument to relentless learning. You can stand in the middle of a production floor that stretches for thousands of square meters, hear robots at work, watch automated systems trading data like neurons inside a massive artificial brain, and realize this is what happens when people dare to dream big. Those giant production lines remind us of one thing: no progress comes from playing it safe. Humans have to step into the unknown, experiment, and risk failure. A machine capable of perfect precision isn't just an engineering achievement, it's proof of human willpower. At the end of the journey, every machine is telling a story, not about itself, but about the people who breathe life into its every motion. Technology is just the vessel. The true force of change is always human.
Standing in front of a production line running smoothly like a massive timekeeping engine, you can feel the full weight of modern engineering. Every perfectly synced movement doesn't just showcase the power of technology, it reveals the vision of the people who turned steel, data, and pressure into a system as intricate as a living organism. Picture yourself walking through a modern manufacturing plant. The air hums with mechanical rhythm. Robotic arms move like athletes performing a choreographed steel dance. Conveyor systems carry materials through each stage with a heartbeat like steadiness. CNC cutters glide forward with total confidence, carving through layers of metal with unbelievable accuracy. All of it blending into a silent symphony of science and engineering. Whether you're obsessed with factory machines, industrial processes, or automation systems that can run for hours at full performance, there's one thing no one can deny. The satisfaction comes from that perfect blend of order and power. It's like standing in front of a controlled storm, chaos, tamed, and disciplined. That's why factory machine compilations are so irresistible. Deep down, we're drawn to the beauty of precision, the clean efficiency, the almost unreal perfection of motion calculated to the tiniest fraction. Inside today's smart factories, where every sensor, every connector, every monitoring module talks to one another through streams of data, performance doesn't just improve, it multiplies. Automation systems can predict failures, self-adjust, and optimize on the fly. Heavy machinery can move tons of material with just a few commands. Compact smart tools hit accuracy so sharp, it feels like you're watching real-life magic. This isn't just manufacturing anymore, it's evolution. But no matter how intelligent the tech becomes, no matter how fast, strong, or precise machines get, everything leads back to one point: people. Humans imagined these systems. Humans raised the standards. Humans pushed machines beyond old limits to create new versions of perfection. And that brings us to the most important part. The journey isn't over. The future of manufacturing, smart factories, and automation is expanding every single day. Technology will go even further. Machines will grow even more precise. Production lines will get even smarter. But the direction,
The purpose will always come from us, from everyone watching this world of engineering with that indescribable spark of fascination. If you want to stay on this journey, hit like, tap subscribe, and turn on the bell, not just to watch more intensely satisfying machine footage, but to witness how the world is being built piece by piece. Because at the end of the day, when the engines slow down, the line shuts off, and the robotic arms rest, the story was never truly about the machines. Machines don't build the future. People do.